Hello, amazing people. Welcome again. Hoping you are having a beautiful day. I am Victor Faisca, and I'm thrilled to guide you through this beginner-friendly yoga practice. Today, we are focusing on yoga for digestion, a practice designed to soothe your stomach and improve gut health. Whether you are dealing with occasional bloating or just want to enhance your overall well-being, make sure you have your mat ready. And let's begin with some gentle warm-ups. Let's start by warming up our bodies. Begin by standing tall in mountain pose, with your feet hip-width apart and your hands at your sides. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently roll your shoulders back and down. Now, slowly tilt your head to the right, bringing your ear towards your shoulder. Hold for a few breaths, and then switch sides. This helps release any tension in your neck and shoulders, which can aid in better digestion. Next, inhale and raise your arms overhead. As you exhale, bend to the right, feeling a stretch along your left side. Hold for a few breaths and then switch sides. Inhale and keep your arms overhead. As you exhale, bend to the left, feeling a stretch along your right side. This movement helps to stimulate the digestive organs. Let's move into cat-cow pose. Come onto your hands and knees in a tabletop position. As you inhale, drop your belly and lift your head and tailbone towards the sky. As you exhale, round your back, tucking your chin to your chest. Repeat this flow for a few breaths, moving with your own breath rhythm. Now, sit down with your legs extended in front of you. Inhale and lengthen your spine. And as you exhale, hinge at your hips to fold forward. Reach for your feet or shins, wherever you can comfortably reach. This pose massages the abdominal organs and aids in digestion. Stand up and bring your feet together. We will execute our twisted chair pose. Bend your knees and lower your hips as if you are sitting in a chair, bringing your hands to your heart center and twist to the right, hooking your left elbow outside your right knee. Hold for a few breaths and switch sides. Bring your hands to your heart center and twist to the left, hooking your right elbow outside your left knee. Twists are excellent for stimulating digestion and detoxification. Lie down on your back and hug your right knee into your chest. Keep your left leg extended on the mat. Hold for a few breaths and then switch sides. Lie down on your back and hug your left knee into your chest. Keep your right leg extended on the mat. This pose is great for relieving gas and bloating. Next, bend your knees and place your feet flat on the mat, hip width apart. Press into your feet and lift your hips towards the ceiling. Coming into bridge pose. Hold for a few breaths and then slowly lower down. Now lie down on your back and bring your knees into your chest. Extend your arms out to the sides and let your knees fall to the right. Hold for a few breaths. Now, let's switch sides. Bring your knees into your chest. Keep your arms extended out to the sides and let your knees fall to the left. This gentle twist helps massage the internal organs and improve digestion. For our cool down, let's move into happy baby pose. Stay lying on your back, bend your knees, and bring them towards your chest. Grab the outer edges of your feet with your hands and gently rock side to side. If you can't grab your feet, grab your thighs. This pose is soothing and helps to release any remaining tension in the abdomen. Finally, let's come into Savasana, our relaxation pose. Lie down on your back with your legs extended and arms at your sides. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, allowing your body to fully relax. Stay here for a few minutes, enjoying the calm and peace. Thank you so much for joining me in this yoga practice for digestion. I hope you feel more relaxed and your stomach feels soothed. Remember, consistency is key in yoga. So try to incorporate these poses into your routine regularly. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with my latest content. See you in the next session. Keep shining your light. Namaste.